everyone, welcome to my channel Utsav and Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So this is just a short video on unboxing of one diamond painting that I ordered from Amazon. I promise I did not peek inside, and I am not prepared. I forgot the scissors, but I do promise that I haven't. I'm back. But I do promise I haven't peeked inside. Just took it out from the box because my son had his glass of juice on the table, and I accidentally knocked it out, and the box was sitting on the table, and it got all wet. So I just removed it out of the actual Amazon box that it came in, but I promise I haven't even tried to peek inside it. It's just been sitting on my art table for about a week now. Haven't got a chance to open it, like I mentioned in my previous video that I have been working for back to school, and it's kind of hard for me to keep up with all the packages that are coming in. So let's go ahead and open this package. This diamond painting was $10.99 on Amazon. It was $10.99. It's a full drill kit, and I'm just trying to get the other side open because I think the tool is stuck on the other side. Yep. Okay. So anyways, this is a full drill kit. It was $10.99, and I will have all the details linked in the description below for this seller and where I found it on Amazon. So do check it out if you are interested in purchasing this painting. It did come in a good plastic cover, and it is rolled very neatly, but too nicely for me. Can't even cut it, it's too thick. Voila, finally came out. So here is the painting, guys. I'm trying to get it to open and see which is the right side. Voila, opened it up on the right side, but let me see if I can open. I'm sorry guys, I stopped talking because I'm paying too much attention in unrolling this. Just give me 1 second. So anyways, I know you guys did not see the whole painting. It was kind of out of the way because it's rolling too much. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to roll it backwards and see if it'll work for me and lay flat on the table. Hopefully it does, but whenever I think of something to go my way, it does not. So I hope this does. Okay, so here is the painting. Oh, see, upside down, and as you can see, it's still rolling from the top. I'm trying to use the method where you just kind of open the sheet and then try to lay it flat again, but it's not working for me. Oh great, okay, I think this is the worst ever. Okay, so finally finally I have it laying straight on the table. Sorry guys, this was something out of the blue. I was not thinking it was going to be such a hard job to get it to stay still and straight. So this is a sunflower, and it is really colorful, and again this goes off. It is really colorful. That's why I ordered it. It's a full drill kit, and here are the diamonds, and they are round. Here are the drills, and they are round drills. It is a round drill kit, very neatly packed. All the drills are neatly packed and everything wants to fly away. The packaging for the drills flew away too. And I feel, not sure, but well, it says that it has 24 different colors, so that is a good oh my god, I am not having a good day in doing this video, but it is 24 colors and it is 12 inches by 16 inches, which is a good size, I feel, to work on a diamond painting. It will give you some details, but it still wouldn't have that much details as much as the bigger ones do. So I already showed you, it's a round drill, it's full drill, it's a sunflower. And in the toolkit they sent me two pens. One is just one pick pen, single pick. The other one is single pick and 3 on one side. And they also sent me a tweezer, which is pointless for a round drill one, so I'm just going to keep it in my stash of collection for tools, and a standard boat and a sheet of wax. So that's all the standard tools. They also sent a whole bunch of baggies and I'm really happy with them. Even though I have already got a system going on for how I organize my drills, and I will leave a link to that video in the description for you guys to check it out. But I'm really happy how this is, and I am really happy with the colors. They are beautiful colors, and I think Sweet Home Deco, I don't think that was the name of the company, but I can definitely have a link in the description below. I should have been more prepared, guys. I'm all over this place with this video. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, really happy with this kit. The glue is sticky, so I feel like the drills will stick properly. I will definitely upload a work in progress video for this. And that's about it, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment in the comments below about what you are working, what work in progress do you have right now, and also let me know if you guys like me doing more unboxing videos as such. It's a short video, it's not too long. Today it wouldn't have been longer if I had not been so all over the place with this unboxing. I don't know what happened today, but just wanted to share this quick before I go back to my work schedule tomorrow. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate all your support, all your comments, all the subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. Really thankful to you guys, and all the beautiful comments that you give me. I am really encouraged with each and every comment that I get. So please do leave me a comment below. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And lastly, do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell button with it so you can stay in the loop with all the new videos I post. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.